So hello everyone, in this third part of our DIY assignment we have been given a task to deassemble and assemble a working appliance, home appliance, and to mention its integral parts. So I have chosen this laser air fan heater, which is usually used in North India and places with cool high altitude for maintaining the room temperature. Let me show its reading to you. It is rated voltages 230 volts, one phase AC, and 50 hertz. Power rated is up to 2000 watts. So it could give us heat ranging from, I guess, 1000 to 2000 watts. It was manufactured in October 2020, so it is in warranty. If I will not be able to assemble it again, we could replace it. So the things which are there inside are power fan for instant heating, adjustable thermostat, fan speed control, thermostat for heating, neon power indicator, and cool touch handle. So let me open it and show it to you how it works, and then we'll disassemble, see its integral parts, and then we are going to assemble it. So here it is. So this is a room air heater, and the things which were mentioned there are so-called, this is the adjustable thermostat. It is being off right now, and this is the speed controller of the fan. The fan which is inside, speed is controlled by it. This is the neon lamp, neon power indicator, which will indicate the power. So let us see if it is working or not. So I have plugged in the plug, and now let us see the working of the fan. Let us first use the thermostat, adjustable thermostat controller. So you can see it is working. It is producing nice warm wind, and let us adjust the speed of the fan. So even the fan's speed is gradually increasing now. So even the fan speed controller is working. See, now it has been closed. Now let us go to the adjustable thermostat. So we are moving in this direction. The intensity of heat wind produced by it is gradually increasing. I could not even touch it, and let us now decrease. So see, now it is stopped because the thermostat and the heater and the coil which is being heated is now stopped heating, so it has stopped. So fine, it is in a fine working condition. So let us now deassemble it. So firstly, remove the plug. So we have removed the plug, and now we are going to disassemble it. So what we need to disassemble it is a screw driver, and so it has 5 screws, I guess, and that too the star one. So I will be using this screwdriver from the star side. So let us start disassembling it. Let us try to find out the basic components which it has. Firstly, this is the basic fan which rotates, and we have the coil which warms itself. So what is the basic principle of it? The motor rotates and the coil gets heated. So it takes the air from back, the coil heats the air, and the fan throws the air outside, so which converts the cool air of the room to a hot air. Let me show you its parts. So here is the adjustable thermostat. It is the thermostat for safety. Actually, what should have happened? What happens here is, when this coil reaches certain temperature, the power supply to this coil is stopped and the coil does not heat further, which means the temperature remains constant after some time, and temperature does not continuously increase. So here we have another component. So this is the neon lamp, neon power indicator, and this is the adjustable thermostat which we were using from outside to adjust the thermostat's upper limit to cut the power of the coil. And this is the fan safety control for controlling the speed of the fan. So let us see working of this in this way. So I have used it in this way. It might be dangerous to use it in this way, but let's hope everything goes fine. So now see, yeah, it is working in this way, and I'll not touch it surely, but the coil is getting warm because it is throwing warm air outside. Neon bulb is lighting up, and we have this speed adjust. So let us make it full. Now this is working on a full speed, and even the temperature of the thermostat to be still maximum. So now it is on maximum. So see, it's working nicely. Let us now work. Actually, we have learned the basic things which were inside this air heater, fan heater. So now we'll be working on assembling it. So the parts which you need to keep in mind while assembling, the first one is that the red light, so that the neon light is on its place, because if it would not be there, we would not be able to see it from the frame outside. So keeping the lamp at the place, LED. Now we'll be assembling it. And the first part is remove the plug, move all the wires inside, and here we are with all our screws to now it is completely fitted. Let us see it's working again. Plug in the plug. So now, hoping we have done all things correct, let me open its adjustable thermostat and just rotate, I guess, something. Yeah, the plug was not at the correct position. So now you can see it is working fine, completely fine. We have assembled it correctly. Bingo!